What game?
Look, it's like my scooter. Cool. No. Mommy, that game.
Yeah, good.
What game? What game? This game where whoa. Look, this is cool.
Oh, you did? You want mine?
Show Knox his chair.
The fiddle. No. Knox, come over here. Look.
You got it, Eli.
Knox, look. And look it. This is one of my surprises, I think. Here's mine. Ooh, this is another one of my surprises.
Ball. Look at Noxie with this ball. I'm going to I'll be right back. Get my slippers.
Yeah.
Wow. That must have been really good.
No, that's a notebook.
Wow.
Wow. Yeah.
What's that?
I got a lock. It's a key. It's a key and a lock. We get a key and a lock. Wow. I don't have one. Whoa. Yeah, you got